Are you looking for a single-story home with a 3-car garage on a huge corner lot in North Las Vegas with a super low HOA? I found it. This home is amazing and it has been through a full redesign, so let's go check it out. I am in love with this super cute kitchen. I mean, these two-tone cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and check out this amazing farmhouse sink. The rest of the house is just as amazing, so let's go take a tour. This home is in a great location. It's literally steps away from Sea Strand Park and just a short drive to Aliante Park, schools, shopping, and to the 215 for an easy commute. Welcome to your backyard, where you have this amazing patio cover that is the full length of the house, and this huge piece of land behind me that you can easily drop a pool into. If you would like a private tour of this amazing home, please contact me. All my info is below. I'm Wendy Goss, and I would love to be your real estate boss. Are you looking for a single-story home with a 3-car garage? And let's do one more time. Are you looking for a single-story home with a 3-car garage on a corner lot in North Las Vegas with super low Why am I fucking saying that? I mean, the dual-tone cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and oh my gosh, look at this farmhouse sink. And I can't wait for you to see the rest of the home because it's just as I am in love with this kitchen. I mean, these dual tone, and action. Welcome to the backyard. This backyard, come back. I want.